What is up, you guys? My name is Jorge Fuentes, and you guys are watching It's Monday Talk. It's Monday again, and what I'm going to talk about this Monday is challenge. You hear it? What is it about? How can challenge help you become a better you? Stay tuned. So let me tell you about my day, what happened today. So today I deliver mattresses, and sometimes we deliver a variety of mattresses. And today we got to deliver this big hybrid mattress, which weighs, it's a king size. When it comes to that time of doing it, it is hard, but we feel like we don't want to do it. So when we did it, it felt good. Why is that? Let me tell you. Did you know if you do the hard stuff first, life will be much easier? Why? Because you're already taking care of business. Meaning, taking care of the hard stuff first, even though it seems long, it will challenge you in different ways where you will what's it called? Discover something about yourself. So, what's a challenge? According to Google, as a noun, it means a call to be part of a contest or competition, especially in a duet. That's in the sense of, like in the sport, a challenge, but also could be, it's also like the definition of like improvement and discovering something new for yourself. In order to grow, you have to push yourself and get uncomfortable in situations. I notice a lot of people don't like challenges because it's hard, it requires work. How the hell are you supposed to improve that? Huh? How the hell are you supposed to improve? I don't get it. Like right now, I'm doing this freaking run. This has been the most challenging couple months because I'm not a runner, but I'm still doing it. And here's the beauty of it. Here's the beauty of this. Ever since I started doing it, I start getting better and better and better and better and better. Don't tell me a challenge is not gonna help you. Don't tell me it's not gonna work. You just gotta go. So if challenges help you grow, and if challenges are the thing that makes you a better person, how can we make this effective in our everyday lives? Simple. Number one, focus on the hard tasks first. Like I said when I was running, focus on it first. Knock off the hardest thing right now, and then focus on the easy ones. If you do the opposite, you're gonna start procrastinating on the hard part. Therefore, you're not gonna get shit done. Number two, get in the mindset that this challenge might be difficult and you're only doing it to learn. Don't beat yourself up when you're not able to complete it, accomplish it, because you're learning. You make mistakes. So when you do the specific task and not going your way, it's okay. It's freaking okay. But you're gonna learn. You're learning to do that specific thing you're gonna do. So don't beat yourself up for it. Trust me, I beat myself up a lot, and I shouldn't, and I overcome not doing that because it's a simple mistake. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. And last but not least, number three, think of the end result. When you're in the moment and you feel like giving up, think of the end result. Think about that feeling where like you're gonna be done. When you're done with that task, I'm not procrastinating this anymore. I'm gonna freaking finish it. Think how rewarding it's gonna be. because you pushed it, you challenged yourself. So when you're done, you're gonna start thinking back like, and you do that task again, like, oh shit, I've done this before. Oh, I could do it again because I remember how to do it. David Goggins in his book, Can't Hurt Me, he calls that thing the cookie jar. When you're in doing the same challenge, for example, I did my 3 miles. When I'm in the moment of doing miles 3, I think about my the time when I did 3 miles. I'm like, wait, I've done this before. I could do it again. So that keeps pushing me to keep going, and I start getting better. So in the moment, think of the end result, and also remember your cookie jar that you've done this before. So, Jorge, so those are my takes on why challenges are really beneficial for you. It's obvious that it is, but sometimes in the moment you forget. And I hope these 3 little nuggets I gave help you to conquer any challenge you have this week. So if you haven't already, you haven't subscribed, give me a subscribe to this channel. Give me a like if you found this video valuable, and if you got any nuggets. And if you have friends that need to get a challenge, send them this video and tell, hey, they're probably confused or something. Like, send them this video. And I'm done with my run. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, wonderful week. And how I usually say every Monday, kill the day for you to kill the week. Happy Monday, you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace out.